Hi guys, my name is Brady Pivac. I'm a brother of Phi Mu Alpha Symphonia at the Lambda Gamma chapter at Edinburgh University. My major is metalsmithing and jewelry design. I'm getting a Bachelor in the Fine Arts, and today I'm going to be making the letters Phi Mu and Alpha. Forgive me if they don't solder right away. This is crappy solder. So what I'm working with now is steel wire. I don't know what specific kind of steel, but it's steel. And steel is actually incredibly hard to solder, which is why I gave like the small disclaimer. I've worked with a lot with chasing and repoussé. I've worked with copper and brass, and I do a lot of casting, such as fine silver, sterling silver, and different kinds of bronze. So red bronze, yellow bronze, white bronze, stuff like that. And I absolutely love casting because it's something I can get extremely into and get a lot of fine details into, which I love. So then I'm gonna just start snipping this apart. I've also caught myself on fire many times. So when doing this, if you ever choose to pursue the fine arts, please be careful, because it is extremely dangerous sometimes. I like it because it's like artistic freedom, and then there's two different applications to my major. I can either be a sculptor, like making small different like trinkets people can buy and like hang up in their house or set on a table, or I can make jewelry, which is actually really nice because then I can either wear it myself or sell it. That's as big as this flame gets. And this torch tip is very dirty, so it's not going to be the best. And I hope this solders, because I don't normally solder with this torch. That's Phi Mu Alpha, my own artistic flair on it by making it in like 5 minutes, which is actually no time at all. Thanks for watching, guys.